Our patented Tru universal technology makes selecting and installing a dimmer easy. Your Adorne dimmer automatically adapts to the light attached to it, whether it's incandescent, halogen, fluorescent, magnetic low voltage, electronic low voltage, CFL, or LED. Simply pair a Tru universal dimmer with any light fixture and you're done. For the purpose of this video, we'll be focusing on the Adorne Soft Tap Tru Universal Dimmer. For more detailed instructions on installing a wireless whisper or touch Tru Universal Dimmer, refer to that product's webpage. Before you begin, be sure you have all the parts required to install your device. Additionally, always disconnect power from the dimmer at the breaker box before beginning work. Once you turn off the power at the breaker, you can begin removing your old switch or dimmer by unscrewing the wall plate from the wall. Next, unscrew your old device from the wall box, which should leave it only connected to the wall box by the wires. Please note that our Tru Universal Dimmer works with 3 wire installations only. This means you must have a neutral wire in the wall. If you do not have a neutral wire, you should select a dimmer that is optimized for 2-wire installation. If your light is controlled by more than one switch or dimmer, you have a 3-way installation. For details on how to install a 3-way dimmer, refer to our How to Install an Adorne Dimmer video. Remove the wires from the device by unscrewing the terminal screws, or if necessary, cut the wires. Now your old device should be completely removed and you may start to install your Adorne Soft Tap Tru Universal Dimmer. There should be plastic inserts in the metal frame. These are called spacers. Since your dimmer fills the frame completely, you'll need to remove both spacers. From the back of the frame, pitch the sides to release the spacers and push them through the front. Consult the wire strip gauge located on the back of the device and strip all wires to the appropriate length. Attach the ground wire on the frame to the bare ground wire in the wall box. Next, mount the frame to the wall box using the screws provided, taking care not to scratch or mar the surface of your wall. Tighten the screws just enough to hold the frame in place. Be sure not to over-tighten. Now you can connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. For a single pole installation, connect the black wire to hot. Then connect the neutral wire to white and the other wire to one pole. Snap your device into the frame, pushing firmly until you hear a snap. If you must remove the device from the frame, you can do so by removing the frame from the wall box and depressing the 4 locking tabs with a flathead screwdriver as you push the device out of the frame. Once your device is snapped into place, you can place your Adorne wall plate over the frame, making sure to push firmly on the top, bottom, and both sides of the wall plate. Please watch part 2 of this video series for instructions on how to program your dimmer.